Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outline text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text and type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in the word outline. Sorry about that. Also going to select the font as well. It is better if it's like a bold kind of text. I'm just going to try to find one. Where is that jumper one? Like something like this. Then you're going to select this one, and I'm also going to adjust the thickness of it. You don't have to, but I will. Right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and simply select the screen or brighten. If your outline is in a dark color, I'll just show you what to do, like this. Right click, create compound clip, and you're going to select the other way, which is the darkened one. I'm not sure how it works for colors though, so let's just test it out. Maybe like this blue color or like this one. It might not work as well. Let's see. Oh, it does kind of work, I guess. You choose the darkened one. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.